boards look like they're gonna come out pretty good, don't they? Yeah, and then we get down here to the crooked part. But that's the best we can do. I just want y'all to see this. JD pulls the forklift up here, pushes the forks up here. We can slide this board off onto the forks of the forklift. That's good. Dust is flying everywhere, sweat running down in my eyes. Oh well. This is a wonderful life to me. Even with the sweat running down in my eyes. Got it on there. Right, move the forklift back. Whoa! Gotta move the forks back. I don't know how to operate that big piece of equipment. He does. That's good. We got some good boards. We got some not so good boards. So we're getting what we can out of every piece of wood. That's all we can do. Got a crooked log. We can make some straight boards out of it. I appreciate everybody watching. Bye.